Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we will actually be doing something just a bit different, and we're just going to be playing the very popular game Five Nights at Freddy's. I've just give some background information, I guess. I've played just a bit of it, but you know, But yeah, I played this once in a while, but I kind of have a feeling I might get scared. I'm a scared boy. It's kind of weird for my computer. Probably best if I just check. 81. I need to save it. Well, this is kind of boring. I gotta admit. Okay, I saw them. Kind of does it really fast. I need to get to 5. This is really boring. What? No! I don't want you on. Jeez Louise. This is actually really boring. Ooh. Yeah, I guess it's time to check on those boys. Okay, let's see where they are. Oh, there's Bonnie. I don't even know where Bonnie is. I mean, that little Chica boy. Hey, don't do that to me. Guys, I'm getting scared. I don't know, guys. I don't really feel like getting jump scared. Oh, there you are, Bonnie. Where the heck is that Chica boy? my gosh, stop! Jeez, my computer's like, ah! My reaction though. Crap, and then I'm just like wasting time. Seriously, go away! Stop. Oh my gosh. Your night counter was not reset. You can replay this night after you click the green flag. Okay. I actually can't say this. Did you just see that? They expect moi to do this. You know what? I feel like wasting my power. I know what happens. I'm just very bored. I don't want to die. Because I'm so bored right now. Okay. Out on my side. I want to see if they'll move. If I go to the thing. What about Foxy? I'm honestly bored to death. That's why I'm just draining my power so I can just die already. Okay, you know what, guys? This is boring. Let's look up free games. Just look that up, because I'm honestly bored. Okay, you know what, guys? I'm just gonna end this video right here. That game was so boring that I literally just died inside, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!